I'm Adam Selby and welcome to The Accounting Student, where we create free and short videos so that you can learn about accounting. Today's video is about revaluation of a fixed asset. Revaluation is when an asset's value increases. This happens when an action takes place that causes the asset's value to be revalued to determine the new net book value. A couple of examples of assets that could be revalued are a vintage car that could be worth a lot more than expected. Although it could have depreciated a lot in the past, the asset could be worth money if it's a rare item and there is a market for collectors. Land is another asset, as land does not depreciate as the value of land increases with inflation and GPD. Let's have a look at an example. Fred, an antiques collector, has a rare painting that was worth £25,000 when he bought it. Fred takes the painting to be revalued at an auction house and is told the painting is worth £45,000. How much will the asset and revaluation reserve increase by? We take the new net book value away from the old net book value. In this case, we take our £45,000, take away the £25,000, and that leaves us with £20,000. This amount is then added to the fixed assets account in the balance sheet, and it also goes into the revaluation reserve. Now let's have a look where they go in the T accounts. There are only a few entries in the T accounts for revaluation of an asset. We debit the painting account by £20,000 and credit the revaluation reserve by £20,000. We need to balance the credit side of the painter's account, so we credit the account by £45,000, balance carry forward, and this is the opening amount of balance brought forward on the debit side for the next year. Finally, on the revaluation reserve account, we need to debit it by £20,000 to balance off the account. So that was the explanation on revaluation of an asset. If you enjoyed it, press the like button. If you have a question you want answered, leave it in the comments below and we'll try to answer it. And if you've not already subscribed, make sure you click on the big red subscribe button above to keep updated with The Accounting Student. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time.